It begins with one idea, a wave that stands still. Pluck a string fixed at both ends, and only the shapes that fit a whole number of half waves can survive. The still points are called nodes, the swinging bellies, antinodes. Higher notes just slice the string into more segments. Carry that idea into 2 dimensions. Sprinkle sand on a metal plate and bow it. The grains flee the trembling areas and gather along the quiet lines, tracing the wave in sand. Bow it harder, and they leap. Change the note, and a whole new figure greater than appears. The plate chooses the pattern. Greater than now fill a volume. Vibrate a fluid full of floating particles from every side, and greater than the standing wave turns 3-dimensional. The particles avoid the churning zones, greater than glowing here, and settle into the calm pockets between them, locking into a greater than repeating grid. Melt it, and order dissolves. Let it reform, and a crystal appears out of a formless cloud. But how does a wave carve out those pockets? By meeting another wave. Ripples cross. Where crests meet, they reinforce into bright ridges. Where crest meets trough, they cancel to stillness. Out of constant motion, a fixed pattern appears and holds. Freeze it, and you've stored an image. That's the principle behind the hologram. And waves don't just combine, they synchronize. Set a row of pendulums swinging out of step, then let them feel each other, ever so faintly. One by one they fall into line, until the whole row beats as one. Fireflies, pendulum clocks, the beating heart, nature, given the smallest nudge, prefers to move together. From a string, to a crystal, to a shared pulse. It's all one idea, reality, made of rhythm.